Hey Matt, what do I do with this?
Just the tip, day 8, butchering a bird. So, for the bird, it's typically gonna come with wing tips. The wings, I will usually just take that off because it doesn't really cook evenly with it on. And you can save these guys for your stock. These are really good for stock, by the way. Straight in the hole here, we've got this little flap, right? It's got all this fat. You can just rip that off. You could throw this in your stock bucket as well. Okay, now it depends what we're doing here, Michael. If we're gonna roast the bird whole, this is what I would do. It's either left or right, depends what hand you use. I will just do one on the right, little incision here. I've got my little incision in the flap, right? I stick one of these legs straight into that hole, just like that. Then I take the other one, little lucky leg here, then I'll tuck it in here, just like that, and boom, look at that. We basically trussed the bird without string. And now I can just go ahead and roast this guy just like that. Now, if you don't want to roast the whole bird, it's very simple, very straightforward. Turn it around on its back, and then we're just gonna follow right around the thigh up until like the middle back. You don't want to miss that part. That's called the oyster, okay? Right there, that's the oyster. That's good eating. You don't want to miss that. And then once I've got that, I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna pull it up. Just like this, I got the back of my knife holding the bird down. I'm just gonna pull it up. See, it just kind of popped out of the socket, and then I could just cut straight down. Boom, there's my leg quarter. You do the same thing on the other side, but for the breast, very simple. We're just gonna follow the rib cage all the way down. The breast is probably the easiest part, honestly. You're just following the rib cage until you get to the little bone here. You see that, Michael? Right there. And you just snap it right off. There we go. This is called a breast with airliner when we keep this little wing leg, whatever the hell you call it. You can remove that if you want. Save that for your stock bucket. And then we've also got the tenderloin, the chicken tender. You could take that off if you want as well. Boom, chicken tender, chicken breast, chicken leg quarter, and there is butchery of a bird. You save the carcass for your stock, you save the wings for the stock, and that's how we butcher a bird, Michael. Let us know what you want for Just the Tip Day 8. This is Day 7. Just the Tip.